Hey everybody, it's Audrey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be so real with you guys today. I am feeling it. I don't know what's going on, but I am just absolutely exhausted all weekend. Saturday, Sunday. I'm doing this voiceover on Monday night and I'm still exhausted. This was my day off today and I accomplished nothing. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. And I have a lot of content that I'm supposed to do for the week. Oh, it's frustrating. If you are coming here from one of my social media posts about the giveaway, thank you so much for being here and welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. So I reached out to Tinco. They are the company that I have purchased like my stick vac, my vac mop, everything from. Really great company. And I asked them if I could do a giveaway and they said yes. They thought that was a fantastic idea. So I am giving away a stick vac and a vac mop. If you haven't seen that yet, all you need to do to be eligible to win is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then comment on this specific video here. Not my other videos, this one specifically. That's how I'm going to track who's entered. So good luck to everybody. I wish I could give something away to everyone. Unfortunately, I can't, but I am grateful I have 2 products to give away at least. In terms of talking, like the dialogue of this video, I think I'm just going to be all over the place. I'm just going to use this video to vent to you guys. I hope you don't mind. Really quickly for background on this video, this is what I did Saturday. So I got up I slept in. I think I got up around like 6:30 and then I went and worked out. And then I just I showered and got ready for the day. On Saturday, I just did a little bit of housework. I prepped all that I could for our meals for the week because I knew I would be busy. So basically all I could do for prep was just to get the proteins cooked. And honestly, that's pretty good prep in my opinion. If that's all you can do is cook your proteins, that's like a huge, chunk of your meal. So if you can get that done, that's awesome. So I cooked the proteins and then I used my food scale to like weigh everything out to get the right calories and to portion it correctly. And then I wrote on the bags how many calories and what it was and the date. And then I stuck it in the freezer. So every day this week when I need to cook, I'll just go grab my frozen protein and then I can make the rest of the meal. But that's what I'm doing today. Yeah, I don't know. I am just so blah. Like I'm not unhappy. I'm extremely happy. This is like right now, everything is going really well in my life. Coming off of a tragedy like losing your house and your pets, which I still can't talk too much about without getting emotional. But that happens and it's hard to ever get happy again. And it took me a long time. I definitely needed medication and, intervention to be able to get to where I'm at. But I'm in a really great place. I'm just, they're supposed to start framing on the house next week. And I think there's like a mix of emotions. The feeling like it's never going to get done. The feeling like a lot is happening all at once. And the feeling like just blah from being, I do everything in the bedroom that we live in at my parents' house. So I get ready on my bed. I work on my bed. I eat on my bed. Like, obviously I can go other places, but the house is fairly small. There's 6 of us living here, 2 dogs. I don't know. It just, you want like your own privacy, your own space. I don't get that. The kids and I are all like fighting for the mirror or the sink or the shower, or I'm trying to go to sleep when they're still up playing. I don't know. There's a lot of things. Like I said, I'm so grateful and I'm not really complaining, but I think I always say this, like there's a difference between complaining and venting. I think venting is healthy. And I don't know, I get so much support from you guys. You feel like friends. If I'm going to vent to someone, I would prefer it be to you guys. Like I said, I don't want to sound ungrateful or like I'm complaining, but some days this living situation just can really get to you, But I mean, even just living in a small house can get to you. Living in a normal house, with all the chores and stuff you still have to do. Like every living situation gets tiresome at times. It's nice to get a break from your regular hustle and bustle of life, but I'm just anxious to keep going on the house, I guess. I'm so excited for it to get framed. I'm so excited to show you around the different bedrooms. I'm so excited to be able to cook in my own kitchen. Sometimes you just like things your own way. So what I've done so far is I've prepped the ground beef for this week, and then I had some lunch. Then I laid down. I never nap or anything, and I had a really busy work schedule, but like I said, I'm just absolutely exhausted. So I ended up taking like an hour nap, and then I got up, I cleaned. I had started the dishwasher, so I was unloading and reloading the dishwasher. My vegetable oil spray was out, or my oil sprayer was empty, so I refilled that. Just little cleaning chores here and there. I worked on the laundry. Now I'm cooking chicken for the week. I end up shredding it all. My preferred method to shred chicken is to do it in my mixer, but obviously I lost my mixer in the fire, so I'm just doing it by hand for this video. But for this chicken, I just put like salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic salt, and paprika on it. I think those are like pretty much staples on your chicken, and then you can make them any way you want after that. Like, they're really versatile, traditional seasonings. I think I'm using the chicken for barbecue chicken sandwiches, and then like a chicken and broccoli Alfredo thing, but like a low calorie version. We are still eating healthy in our house. I am not doing well with my weight loss. I'm not really super strict. So I'm not doing really well with my weight loss, but I'm actually really happy with where I'm at because I'm just more mindful of what I'm putting in my body. It's not so much junk anymore. So even though I'm not seeing a difference on the scale every day, I still feel that I'm treating my body better, if that makes sense. My husband's doing really great. He's down 60 pounds. I'm down like 25. Once I got this chicken cooked, I shredded it up and then divided it into the bags, just like I did with the ground beef, and the food scale to portion everything out, wrote on it, and got it in the freezer. Although I wasn't super productive for my Saturday, I don't feel bad about that. I don't know if that's clear. Sometimes I wonder what people think about how I treat myself, because typically I'm extremely busy and productive, and I don't know if people assume I put really high expectations on myself, and the truth is I don't. I do get a lot done, and I do set goals for myself every day. I write down what I need to accomplish, but like today, I took a nap. I took my day slow because I'm just really exhausted for some reason lately, and I don't feel bad about that fact at all. It's just life. There's no like award for what you're able to accomplish in a day, and I've always felt that way. I never put like negative thoughts in my head if I am not able to accomplish a lot in a day. If you want to spend your Saturday laying on the couch watching TV, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. And if you do set goals for yourself and you're not able to accomplish them, who cares? You know what I mean? Just push those off. Like, we're not all competing every day with ourselves or with other people. It's just life. We're just living. I just have a busy schedule, so typically I'm really productive and really busy. But also my mind is always running too. So, I couldn't just lay on the couch and do nothing. After I finished my chores for the day, my brother texted and said that he wanted to go out to dinner and bowling, and that was actually perfect because the kids were spending the night with their other grandparents. So we did that. We got ready and we went out to one of our favorite restaurants and then went bowling. We had so much fun. It was so nice to get out. I love my brother and future sister-in-law so much. So it was nice to spend time with them. And then we came back home and I went to bed, and that was my Saturday. Again, it was not super productive. I'm okay with that. I did prep some stuff for the week, which was handy. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with me lately. I'm just really feeling it, and that is completely okay. I feel like August might just be one of those months where everything's just kind of a blur and it's really busy and I'm kind of just treading water, and that's fine. We'll see. Maybe not. Maybe everything will be okay. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you wanted to enter the giveaway for either of the Tenko products, subscribe to my channel and then comment down below and you will be put into the drawing. I will randomly select 2 winners on Friday, August 4th. My next YouTube video will be on Friday. Thank you guys for sticking with me even on those weeks where I'm not able to be super responsive with comments and messages like I try to be. I appreciate you all so much. I will see you Friday. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.